Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is taped on board Oasis of the Seas. This is a room tour of a neighborhood view room. You don't have a balcony, it's just a big window with a nice comfy seat in front of it. Everything else is a pretty standard interior room. The shower, of course, is always tight. It gets you by, but it would be nicer if the bathrooms were a little bigger in these things. Get little cubby holes to put your stuff in. And here's your closet. Once again, me and the wife fight over different cubby holes to put our stuff in. And they give you some hangers to hang up your shirts and dresses. One downside of this room is the 3 receptacles you've seen on the desk over there is all there is. Nothing around the bed. And I have a CPAP machine, so I have to run it. Luckily, I bring an extension cord with me, but I'm sure they have one if you ask. But I have to run an extension cord every night over to the bed to get to my CPAP machine. But here's what you're paying for. I actually did a royal up and won it. And got this for like $40 over top of the normal price. But it's a pretty cool view, and like I said, the seat's very comfortable sitting in front. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Thanks.